All right, hey, I'm Dave.
And I'm Jenny.
And this is our entry to the Rockler One Sheet of Plywood Challenge. All right, we got everything?
I think so.
Okay, so the first thing that we got to do is we need to cut out the two big pieces that are 2 feet by 4 feet? Yeah. 2 feet by 4 feet. We have to cut those out because that's what we're going to glue the herringbones to. And then the bottom piece is actually going to be the bottom of the little shelf we're going to make.
Yeah.
So we need to cut those off first, and then we can manage whatever's left on the plywood in the table saw without killing ourselves.
Easier.
Yeah, so that's what we're going to do right now. So we cut this out. We still have to cut this out. We still need to cut these strips out. I accidentally cut one of these at 18 inches.
Mess up number 1.
And then that one's got to be 19. So we got two 4.5 inch pieces right here we can do.
Bless you.
Stop! Now what we have to do is cut 1,000 little strips out of these two pieces. Well, it's not 1,000, it's like...
It's a millennial 1,000, so it's like 1,000.
Oh, so it's literally like 1,000,000.
Yeah. Okay.
All right, now the next thing to do is to start assembly. We've got all of our pieces cut out. I'm gonna wait to cut these down to their final length until we get the top and everything situated, and we can just figure out then what we wanna do with those sides. But other than that, we're just ready to glue all these up, and while it's drying, we'll build the base and everything else. So.
This is my favorite part. I'm so excited.
All right.
For anybody who just loves like putting things in perfect little lines, they'll be in heaven.
Okay. so the hairpin legs, I don't feel like they take away from the fact that this was only one sheet of plywood, especially once you look at all the layers of the plywood. We think it's kind of impressive that we were able to pull this much beauty out of just one sheet of plywood.
Complexity.
Yeah, this was our entry, so thanks for watching the video. We do a ton of project videos like this. We put out 3 videos a week. We put out 2 project videos and a vlog. So if you don't mind, go ahead and subscribe to our channel. Give us a shot for a couple of weeks, and if you hate us, you can unsubscribe later.
Yeah.
But until then, we'd love for you just to watch us as we grow and share and build things together. So we've got a few videos on our channel, but we're really going to start cranking out the projects this summer.
So thanks for watching. Give us a like if you like what you saw, and we'll see you later.
Thanks.